going on YouTube? Geothn right here. Today I have great news for those of you waiting for a jailbreak on iOS 18. The DirtyZERO application, which allows you to have jailbreak-like tweaks without being jailbroken, even on iOS 18, got a brand new update after months of inactivity. And this one includes new tweaks and of course improvements and so on. So we're going to get into that in a second. For those of you who are unaware, there's currently no jailbreak for iOS 18 all the way up to iOS 26. Also iOS 17 is in a pretty dire situation on the newer devices, but there are multiple such tweaking tools that allow you to get some tweaks without being jailbroken. Those are like Misaka X, Nugget, DirtyZERO, and even my application iDevice ToolKit. So a couple of days ago, the DirtyZERO application got updated, and this one supports iOS 18.0 all the way up to iOS 18.3.2. It supports iOS 17.0 up to 17.7.5, and of course even 16 is supported. And there are a lot of tweaks that you can enable. You can see there is a huge listing here of a variety of tweaks that can be enabled using this tool. And you have to keep in mind that this is based on a very weak exploit. So the fact that you can even do anything with it, it's actually nice. And many of these tweaks can be found on my application as well, iDevice ToolKit, that you can find below. My application also has a file manager and some other stuff that you can try. So it has a little bit more stuff in it. But for tweaks, we just got a new update to DirtyZERO, the version 1.1, released 4 days ago. And this one says redesigned UI by Lang Inspector, new tweaks and compatibility improvements for iOS 16 and 17, built-in version checker and compatibility notices, improved tweak applying, backend, and logging. Developers can now use updated exploit code to zero out a specific offset of a file page. So the brand new DirtyZERO IPA file is available over here. I have also updated my article on iDeviceCentral.com. By the way, guys, tell me in the comments below what do you think about the new iDevice Central website, the way it looks right now. Anyway, I have updated my DirtyZERO article in here to also include the new tweaks. And if you want a full list of tweaks, you can also find here on GitHub. But yeah, you have home screen tweaks like disable dock background, folder background, alert and touch backgrounds, app library background, lock screen tweaks, disable passcode background, lock icon, quick action icons, and so on, disable home bar, notification widget background. You can enable the Helvetica font, disable slider icons, and so on. There are a lot of things you can do, including sound effects. As I said, many of these things you can do directly with iDevice ToolKit if you prefer that one instead. You also have the file manager, of course, and several other tools like compatibility patcher for IPAs inside iDevice ToolKit. But if you prefer the jailbreak.party's DirtyZERO, it now has a new update, so definitely go ahead and get it. Speaking about jailbreak stuff, definitely check out Flexstore. They provide pre-signed jailbreaks without computer. You can get the Uncovered, Dopamine, you can get Kawabanga, you can probably even get DirtyZERO. And there are multiple tools that are signed over here, including older jailbreaks like Helix, Meridian, ATA Soon, and even Pengu. So check it out below. Thank you for watching. I am Geothn now. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated. Tell me what you would like to see next on iDevice Central, and peace out.